I think most of us know the feeling of asking AI for help with something and being impressed at first glance, only for it to end up being completely useless.
Stop letting AI give you generic garbage advice.
Great as you thought. The way we solve this is with step 1, the expert anchor. We find the expert advice first. For a product launch, I'd take a book like Alex Hormozi's $100 Million Money Models. I would upload the PDF, then tell it to analyze and extract the full system. I'd use a prompt like this. Analyze the attached document and identify the core framework used for launching a product.
Here's what most people get wrong. They ask AI for help and accept whatever it spits out. But AI just averages the entire internet, which means you get average results. The fix? Find a real expert first. A book, a course, a proven framework. Upload it and tell AI, don't summarize this, reconstruct the system. Now, your AI isn't guessing. It's grounded in something that actually works.
Extract the step-by-step logic, the specific constraints mentioned, and the golden rules the author follows. Then create a comprehensive master guide that I can use as a foundation for my own project. Do not summarize, reconstruct the system.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video, packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
This is called grounding. Now the results are grounded in a proven framework rather than a random average of the internet. You can tell right off the bat how different this is. Like, the launch framework is not a classic marketing launch calendar. It's a money model build and deploy system.
But having expert knowledge means nothing if AI doesn't know who the real experts are. And that's where step 2 changes everything.
Like, it's just not even close. This is exponentially more valuable. Now, if you don't know who the experts are for your goal, just ask the AI first. But don't just ask for names. You want to identify the actual operating systems of that niche. So use a prompt like this. Identify the top experts in your topic, launching an online course, and the signature frameworks they are known for. List their most important books or resources, and specifically tell me where these experts disagree with each other.
Don't know who the experts are in your niche? Ask AI. But not just for names. Ask for the signature frameworks they're known for, their best books, and here's the key. Where do these experts disagree with each other? That reveals the nuances generic advice completely misses. Once you have that list, track down their YouTube transcripts, PDFs, research papers, then run the extraction prompt from step 1.
And I like that last part because it shows you the nuances that generic advice completely misses. And I tried to make this broadly applicable. Sometimes you might use a modified version of this prompt, but once it gives you that list, you know exactly what resources to track down. YouTube transcripts, PDFs, or research papers. You can use those as your expert anchor. Then you just run that same extraction prompt from before.
Now you have expert level knowledge, but it's still built for them, not you. Step 3 flips the entire script.
Now we have the expert anchor, the perfect system, but a perfect system is useless if it doesn't fit your specific life or business. That leads us to the second problem. The AI doesn't know you.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
We have the how from the experts. We need the what from you. For that, we use step 2, the context extraction. LLMs work best with context. Often more is better, but coming up with every relevant detail off the top of your head is actually really difficult.
Here's the problem. AI doesn't know your budget, your schedule, your goals, your constraints. And trying to explain all that yourself, you'll forget half of it. The solution? Flip the script. Tell AI, interview me. Ask me questions one by one. Don't move on until I answer. Now the AI digs into your specific situation, your target audience, your resources, everything that matters.
Usually you'll pull in what you think it needs, then the response comes back and you realize you forgot a bunch of important stuff. The problem is that once an AI is mid-response, it's much harder to restructure. It has momentum. It tries to stick to the direction it's already going. It works significantly better when all that context is there from the very first prompt. The best solution is to flip the script. Ask the AI to interview you.
But raw interview answers are messy. Step 4 turns that chaos into your secret weapon.
But go through that interview, let it dig into your budget, your target audience, your personal goals, whatever's relevant to what you're working on. In this case, it was a made-up product, so I'm just having Gemini answer the questions for me with made-up details.
Once your AI interview is done, give it one final command. Compile all my answers into a single structured context file. That's it. You're building a custom brief for your project, your goals, your constraints, your situation, all in one document. This tiny extra step up front eliminates endless back and forth later.
But once you're done, give it one final command. Now compile all of my answers into a single structured context file that summarizes everything we've discussed. You're essentially building a custom brief for your project. And this extra step, depending on what you're doing, can take a few more minutes up front, but it can save you.
Now you have expert knowledge and your personal context. Step 5 fuses them into something powerful.
So we have the plan and we have the context. Now we need to fuse them together. This brings us to the third and final problem, finding the right words to make the AI execute. In other words, writing the perfect prompt. Instead of trying to guess what the AI needs to hear, we're going to use a meta prompt. This is essentially a prompt that asks the AI to prompt itself. AI models are trained on all the best prompting techniques, so they're usually better at writing instructions for themselves than we are.
You've got the expert framework, you've got your context file, now use a meta prompt, a prompt that asks AI to prompt itself. AI is trained on every prompting technique out there, so it writes better instructions for itself than you can. Paste both files in, tell it to synthesize them into one master execution prompt. Don't execute yet, just output the prompt for a clean session.
And I used just a big one-shot meta prompt that I've modified to include everything we gathered. And it formats it into the RISCO framework, which I've taught on this channel before. It looks like this. You are a senior AI prompt engineer. I am providing you with 2 data blocks. This is where you paste in the master guide. This is where you paste the context file. And if you've never seen this style, it uses XML tags to contain the information in between those. It helps the AI understand what's separate from the main prompt.
Copy, paste, and watch AI deliver results that actually fit your life. That's the SMRT system, and it works for anything you want to build. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.